Are you looking for the best furnace filter for dust control? Here we will break down the top 7 best furnace filter for dust control on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Aerostar Home Max MERV Air Filter. It is made with an electrostatically charged synthetic material that captures allergens between 0.3 to 1.0 microns, and this includes dust mites, pet dander, fine dust, smoke, virus, bacteria, mold spores. Getting Aerostar 20 into 25-1 MERV 13 pleated air furnace is taking a step towards a healthy living because it guarantees you and your family a clean indoor air in your home. This furnace filter also helps keep your HVAC unit performing efficiently because it removes the dirt and reduces the strain on the motor. Aerostar 8 filters help to reduce energy consumption by controlling the amount of energy consumed, thereby ensuring longer life. This furnace filter also requires less maintenance. At number 2. Filtrete AC Furnace Air Filter. This model features the most common residential sizes, including the standard 1-inch filter, along with both 4-in and 4-inch slim styles, and the larger 5-inch thick versions. Finding the right size for your system is crucial for a good fit. The nominal measurements, for the most part, are 1 by 4 inch off. At number 3. FilterBuy MERV AC Furnace Air Filter. This filter can effectively remove dust, debris, lint, pollen, and pet dander from the air. There are numerous sizes available to fit most any furnace, and it can last up to 3 months though. You may need to change it more frequently if it gets clogged with pet hair and dander. This air filter greatly reduces the amount of dirt in home. At number 4. Aprilaire 213A2 213 Replacement Air Filter. It is suitable to protect your family and hence improve the indoor air quality. The package contains 2 units which may be enough for more than a year. Nevertheless, the 213 air filter will surely remove 93% of the most widely spread particles between 3.0 and 10 microns that are said to cause allergic reactions. Moreover, this product uses a self-seal technology which actually stops all unwanted particles and ensures cleaner air at home. Also, this highly efficient air filter is easily installed and can fit all Aprilaire models, as well as any furnace or AC, with the same measurements. At number 5. Honeywell FC100A 1037 Air Cleaning Filter. It can capture particles that are as small as 0.3 microns. It's equipped with an electrostatic charge, which further attracts microscopic particles. The large surface area of this filter helps to improve its dust-holding capacity. It works to remove pollen, dust, pet dander, lint, bacteria, mold spores, virus carriers, microscopic allergens, smog particles, and odor from the air. When it comes to the overall build quality, it has a moisture-resistant frame that manages to last for up to 90 days. It manages to significantly reduce the allergy symptoms around the house by reducing the dust buildup. At number 6. Nordic Pure MERV 12 Pleated AC Furnace Air Filters. The Nordic Pure 20 into 25 into 1 M126 MERV 12 Pleated AC Furnace Air Filter is a heavy-duty filter that has been uniquely crafted to reduce all traces of airborne pollutants from your business or household. Designed for both AC and furnaces, this filter features electrostatic material that traps in the dust, pollen, mold and mildew, dust mites, debris, and baking flour. Resistant to the growth of bacteria and mold, it also traps in all the tiny allergy-aggravating microorganisms that could cause health issues.